Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I have a dilemma that I want to share with you and I need your opinion. In a previous video I shared with you the colors that I was going to use in the creation of this kitchen in the gigantic dollhouse that I bought at the community yard sale for $30. So I'm working on the kitchen, and I had shared with you that I was going to use blue and white in this kitchen, and I was going to be using this beautiful blue and white tile that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I just love this, but I was playing around with it, and I have this placemat also from the Dollar Tree that is gray and white, and it just goes so perfect with the appliances. You can see that it has like a little stainless steel look with the white. All the appliances have a stainless steel look with the white, and it just goes so great with this white and gray placemat as the flooring. So I can either work with these colors or I can work with these colors. So I am undecided because I just love both. I love both looks. So I need your opinion. Which one would you like to see in this kitchen here? I haven't started anything yet. I have to transform those walls, even the ceiling, and place a light fixture. But you know, all that'll come later. Right now, it's all about the color of this kitchen. So will it be the white and gray, or will it be the white and blue? So please comment below, what would you like, or what do you think would look best in this kitchen? Which colors should I use? I really appreciate your input and your time, and thank you so much for watching.